Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very interesting and tasty dish all the way from Bhutan. We are making Ema Datshi. This is the national dish of Bhutan, which literally means chili and cheese. This is a spicy stew that can be enjoyed with steamed rice. So let's get started and check it out. To a pan I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. So this is going to be a nice rich and spicy dish. So reduce the flame to a low. Once the butter melts, I'm adding 6 large cloves of garlic finely chopped. Along with this, I'm adding 6 green chilies slit. Now you can adjust the spice. Usually this dish is supposed to be a little spicy, but you can adjust it according to your taste. Keeping the flame on medium-low, just saute the green chilies and the garlic. And next I'm adding half cup of water. So once the water heats up, you can gently start adding the cheese slices. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. So I'm just going to add a little pepper and just a dash of salt, not too much. Just give that a nice mix. Wow, just look at that, cheese is melted so beautifully. Turn off the stove at this point. So there you go, we've made this spicy and cheesy Ema Datshi. So those of you who'd like to enjoy it as is, can just stop right there. But I'm making a variation of this dish. We're going to add some eggs to it and make it Egg Ema Datshi. So let's get started and check out the variation. To the pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to crack open a few eggs. For this recipe, I'm adding 5 eggs. Just crack open the eggs, make sure the eggs are nice and fresh. We're going to season it with a little salt and a little pepper. Close the pan and let this cook for about 2 minutes. Pour the prepared Ema Datshi onto the eggs. Just make sure you spread it out evenly. Close the pan and continue to cook. So we're going to cook this on low flame till the eggs are completely done. After 5 minutes, let's check on the eggs. Wow, just look at that. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Just maintain the flame on low throughout, gently releasing it on all sides. The eggs are done. Turn off the stove. You can enjoy it as is or with some nice hot steaming rice. Time to enjoy this spicy, cheesy goodness. Wow. Amazing flavors, of course. It's that beautiful cheese with that nice chili spice. And the egg and rice combination is just fantastic. Excellent. I'm sure many of you are going to absolutely love and enjoy this. It's a very simple dish that you can make in just about 5 minutes. Can you believe it? Well, do try it, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.